I just hit gold 5 on Siege. Time to open all my packs. All my celebration packs in celebration of hitting gold. Okay, so obviously we start off with the black Sally packs. That way it could get off one that... ooh, a legendary. Ooh, golden construct for Lion. Okay. So we go to our white celebration packs. Number 1, purple. What is it? Ooh, card background. I actually like that. That's not bad. Number 2, another purple. It's a charm. I don't like that. Number 3, blue. Okay. Another charm. Don't tell me that I'm going to get a bunch of charms. Number 4, blue. Ooh. Ooh. It's like a zombie or it's like a gray Frankenstein skin for the Super 90. Okay. 5, legendary. Golden Triumph for the ETA 12S. 5-round pocket shoddy. Number 6, I think it is. Another purple. Is that a uni? It is a universal. Okay. Wait. Wait! Chroma streaks. It didn't occur to me what it was. I just got chroma streaks. Okay. Another purple. Oh, I thought that was black ice. Gathering Storm. It's another universal. Oh, that is beautiful. I don't even know what number this one is. Another purple. Oh, Circumstellar. Ooh, that's like the carbon fiber white and gold. Okay. Legendary. Oh, ooh. I got the android head for Alibi. Another blue. Oh hey, I got the blonde-haired Maverick. Another blue. Shotgun skin that low-key sucks. Purple. That's what we like to see. Ooh. Chrome Person 24 for Ying. Another blue. Dude, stop giving me blues. Does it have an attachment skin? Yeah, Dark Familiars. That low-key sucks. Oh, purple. That's what we're looking for. Not a black ice, but Gut Churner for Thorn. Not. Wait, is that Thorn? Yeah, that's Thorn. Okay. Purple. Black ice. Nope. Dude, I got the carbon fiber for Glass Sniper. Legendary. Oh, I got the Devil Oryx headgear with the wooden horns. It's getting equipped. Purple. Oh my god. Choopy Nazo. That is a beautiful universal. Absolutely beautiful. Blue. Okay. Sonoran Chill for IQ. That's not bad. Ooh, legendary. Another Alibi headgear. Okay. Purple. Black ice. Another card background. Another purple. Black ice. Nope, it's the peppermint uniform for Ying. Legendary. Oh, that is actually good looking. Bristly Disguise for Capcan. I like that's getting equipped. And the final pack, purple. Black ice to finish it off. Nope, it's a headgear for Capital. Low-key like that though. That's all the celebration packs.